Welcome to the start of this week's Family Print Project vlog. We just finished making content for the breakdown video of how much we made on YouTube. The next thing I'm actually going to be hopping into is the shorts. Now, the reason there's a delay in the content weekly vlog is, as you guys know, my beautiful little cat has passed away. We've had her for 13 years. It's been really rough on that specific note and hard for me to talk about, but I will eventually talk about it on the family vlog channel, where we're getting all the behind the scenes stuff of our life, just us in general, everything that we're going through and everything that we're doing. Striving to make a change with how to use shorts to my advantage and how I can use it to boost these longer formatted videos, because if you guys aren't in the know, shorts are kind of the social media king at the current time because everybody's attention span is short. But I continuously want to make long form content because that's where I find the most amount of satisfaction for myself. Once we're done and completed with this next step, I am actually going to start the printers, get things going for that, and get into this week because we have definitely a lot of stuff to get into. And I'm going to do my very best that I can to make sure that I continue to do these weekly series. And I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. Mentally, I have been extremely drained emotionally with loss. It is very difficult to be continuously positive, but my soul is a light bringer as best I possibly can. But I am fighting some dark feelings behind the scenes tremendously. And I have to be honest with myself in order for me to see what I am doing and replay it back and showing y'all reality. Like, that's the bottom line, is reality. But we have some plans to do that, so let's go ahead and get started on this next portion of this week's vlog. Little duckies have completed. Got a little bit of a fail on one of them, but nonetheless, they all did get completed except for one. So let's go put this in our stockpile and get some more printed. This one's also officially completed. This one has already been posted, but I didn't film it on the vlog, so this is what it looks like. You guys want to check it out on Patreon now. Specializing in bookmarks at the moment. Just wrapped up the little short kind of trailer videos to entice new viewers to come check out the channel, which is one of the main driving forces that we're going to be hopping into. And a lot of this week's stuff is figuring out what kind of short content can I actually do almost on a daily basis until I can become full-time content creator to make that happen. Now, some side notes, we did get a new brand to reach out to us, so we're going over some logistics and some things like that that could benefit more on the family side channel rather than this channel. But all in all, I am working really hard to build out that channel to continue to document the process of life and who I am and everything that I love doing. And we are literally steps away from actually being able to have ad revenue from that channel as well. What I'm doing specifically for each channel is structuring different plans that will be tailored to specific things we want to do in life. For example, the family channel will be designated as an opportunity to have travel involved, vacation plans, and things like that. That's why I have mentioned it several times over the last week. Time is short, and I want to do everything that I possibly can to make that a reality. That's the bottom line. You guys know I love being real and honest. That's the reality behind it. If you guys would like to help, all you have to do is go watch the content, because we have the subscriber count. We just need a little bit more watch time, and it's greatly appreciated. And on this channel, what we are changing is everything we generated from the channel and everything we made from our business literally went into bills. 100%. It went into late bills, getting things back up, current running, and things like that. So it is not all peaches and pears and whatever the saying is about what it takes to do what we're doing. It is planned, but we've had to dive into our half savings, and we have to finish out our taxes for this year. And in doing so, I actually had to finish out my fourth quarter and final quarter of doing that, which totaled out to how much taxes we owed for that was about $250. One, because we incurred late fees on that, and we couldn't do our taxes until that was done. And as an LLC, you don't want to get into that habit. So our goal and our main focus this year is going to be extremely challenging because we are no longer going to be touching the funds of what is generated into the business and what gets put into savings halfway through any sales we make. We put 50% away. It's going to be extremely hard. The only thing that we are going to have our hands on is the cash, and even that we want to be able to put away, because one thing for sure is we want to start putting a little investment fund, which I won't talk about here, but just know that there's something planned for that, and that will be more on the family channel. Now, as time goes on, it'll be quicker little notations to each different niches, but I am doing a crap ton of stuff. Here is actually a little clip of another thing that I'm actually expanding back into that I started with for 10 years on YouTube, which is dance content. It is something I do that allows me to emotionally express myself and have a fun time and just literally get out of my creative mind brain and creatively do something physical. And that has been growing significantly on YouTube and on TikTok. So it is all about the consistency on that, because that structure is completely different. We have failed at ordering filament. Like, I don't even think we've ordered filament since November. Even purchased STL AI to incorporate a little bit of AI to create products that are more tailored to specific things, like replication of dogs, replication of people, and trophies and things like that. And we haven't even dabbled in that at all. Like, we haven't even talked about it, dabbled in it, but it is part of the process. We paid for the lifetime, and it's okay to be vulnerable and honest with you guys, because this is how I'm going to show y'all growth, and how I'm going to show y'all that not everything is perfect, and that's okay. It is something to not be embarrassed about. It's not something to be ashamed of. It is just an opportunity of change, and I think that's why y'all consistently continue to watch these videos. If I'm wrong, please tell me that in the comment section below. But I think that's why y'all continue to watch these videos, is because of the realness and honesty that I provide, and of course the type of content I cover and how I cover it as well. My mentality has clicked into the next gear of what I want to do for you guys. So we are going to be continuing to create bookmarks specifically tailored to colors that match what I'm envisioning, but I am going to print them out and show them on the Patreon page with different colors that we currently have, because we don't have much. We have a pink, we have orange, I have PETG, black, red, green, blue that I need to specifically do for something else. I have blue, red, orange, and white on this one. Yellow, black, white, red on this one. Multicolor on 85X. I have a couple in the dryer boxes, orange, beige, white, and one more, I believe, and purple. Oh, and of course I have PETG brown. So we are at a point that is extremely difficult because of life coming in to try to knock me down. You know, car repairs, the late payments, things like that. But I am not going to give up. I am not going to stop. I'm going to do the best that I can. And another key note is the next market we do have. We actually had to cancel this last market. From those of you guys who know from the last vlog, we highlighted these guys, is to sell these. But I'm going to make some adjustment on the prices depending on the product. But without further ado, let's hop into some prints. Let's get some stuff done and get some things updated, because I am hands down making up for the lost time from being delayed on the bookmarks that I'm supposed to have created. And then also next month I will be specifically designing little things that will be functional products that I need around the house that you guys can also get from the Patreon. But the knowledge is free. Also, I'd like to take this time to invite you guys to let me know what kind of breakdowns you guys want to see. Just give me details. I don't want to keep it long, just short. Let me know. I'm really, really getting into it. Another thing I just noticed is we got to organize and get these Christmas ones out of that stock. So without further ado, let's get to some printing, because I appreciate you guys literally hearing me go on a little rant. And we got to print some stuff. So one of the products I'm going to get started with and get organized for my boss is we have a CarFest event coming up very, very soon. That needs to be done because we need to get keychains and things like that organized and done, and he would like me to do some 3D printed stuff for that. So I'm going to go ahead and design that and then get some other prints on the printer while I'm designing that as well. All right, pregnant mama just woke up from her nap, and we are getting started on the actual print that we're going to be doing as an individual video, a useful case print for the kitchen. So let's go film this short as well. All printers are a go. We have a new can holder dice tower, a dragon. We have that piece that's going to start here shortly. Some more dragons from Cinderwing. Two of the same kinds in different colors. Straw buddies, which, ooh, got 12 hours and we ain't got much left. That's gonna be fun. But we have that. So, we're gonna see if I can order one of these today, so when it stops, we have another one ready to go. All right, the next order of business is to get this filament order primed and ready for my boss, for him to order for me so I can get these products started after those prints are done. Or actually, reverse that. Filament ordered, so once it comes in, then I can start, because I've got 3 weeks to print as much as I possibly can. Preparation for CarFest in April. All right, the prints are complete. Hold on, I gotta do a short first. So here's the first one. The dragon actually completed perfectly. This one you can go ahead and remove. This one failed. So, no, you don't even need to do that. Just remove it.
Fail.
Yeah. Go ahead and take the little pieces. Let's show them. Look how much it failed.
So
unfortunately, literally all the way to the majority of the top. But this doesn't happen too often, but it has happened, and we're going to go ahead and restart this print, and hopefully this next one doesn't fail.
Do I put it in here?
Yep. We already removed this piece here. This one also failed. We're going to start this one again. But it was a solid color this time around. And we're also going to slow it down. All right, we got this dragon that actually completed. Hold on. We also have this one here. And we did get another fail. It did not sense the filament run out on this one because it got jammed. So that's unfortunate. But even if it wouldn't have finished quite yet, we would have had to order one. We didn't get the chance to order it yet. You can go ahead and remove those. Get those put in the bin.
Nope. That's how much they messed up.
We got to try not to have our fingers on there. Now I got to clean it because we're getting our finger oils on there, and then it's not going to be able to stick to it very well, okay? But you can do it now. You already got your fingers on there. Just know for next time, okay?
It's just because they're like all coming into pieces.
Yeah. So what you do, you have to take the whole thing off the bed, the plate, and then you take it over to the empty bin and then flip it out of there.
Can you get me the empty bin?
Yeah.
We have a poop bin, well, like bad printed, like a bin for if we have like these little things.
All right, so this is that print. I just cleaned off the top. It is majority there. It's still a functional print, so I'm gonna bring it to market, put it in our not so perfect print bin, and see what if it sells. So
hopefully
that one should be done by tomorrow, anyways. So depending on if we have time before we leave, that might get painted and settled down.
I can't take it off. Some prints are very hard.
You go ahead and dump out the
3D print poop.
Yep. Guys, I just checked out one of Jin's shorts from Hamel's House of 3D Prints. Definitely going to give her... Definitely massive shout out to Jin. Amazing content creator. She's really making me want to get a Snap One U maker. I don't know why the name's escaping me right now. My mind is moving 1,000 miles an hour. We just did the gender reveal earlier today, so...
Of course.
Well, I'm not going to include what she said it was. If you guys would like to know the gender, go check out the Family Vlog channel. We reveal what we're having over there. But she's going ahead and cracking off. Cool plates are the hardest ones to crack off. There you go.
That scared me. Okay, we have these two.
You got it?
I don't like these. Of course, it's just that one.
There you go, finally. Hey, put it up there and I'll take care of that part. That part's not easy. This other one should be easy to remove. And I think for a little while, till you build the strength, I'll start taking the cool plate ones off. Does that sound good?
Cool.
No, that one should just come right off.
Yep. Blue dragon. This should be for the, you know.
All right, now you can film me.
Okay.
Put that down. Put it where the other one is.
What?
We're going to go ahead and get these restarted. And we're going to restart the prints on these guys.
I'm going to have to
Get
get
them going.
Ow.
Right. And I'll crack this one off.
Very hard. All that food. Oh, yeah. There goes her stuff. Okay. I'm trying to get like perfect. Ugh. Look at his new shirt. Isn't it beautiful?
Guys, link in the description box below for merch.
Yeah. Dang, that stuck.
Yeah, we went to clean that off.
Yep.
He wants to dump out the other one.
And I love putting my foot in the 3D print, but it's like filled up because it like good. And I really want to do it right now, but.
So yeah, we're getting these printers reloaded, restarted, and keep it going. And filament order for today should be done. We do have a market tomorrow. Did you know that? We have a market tomorrow that we got to get ready for. That we literally plan today, and it's tomorrow.
Yep.
So looking forward to it. Of course. Of course, it's the next day, and something pops up. Literally, all the plumbing in this house is all backed up. So guess what that means? It means delay on going to the market that we have already paid for, and more than likely, we won't be going to a market today. It's like even an emergency thing because all the plumbing people are out for the day, and we already talked with our landlord and stuff like that. So that's fun. So talking about alternative plans because we can't afford to miss any more markets. The reality on that. So we're thinking of how we can go live at some point, getting everything done today or literally starting tomorrow. So it's, yeah. I don't know what to do. All right, this time we got a completed, actually good looking one. All I got to do is paint on this. I actually did the bridging very decently. This one's still giving me problems, but when I press resume, it'll start extruding it, but still a pain in the butt. Got another one of these dragons done, which we'll take off the build plate here in a second. We also have this one as well that also needs to be taken off the build plate. You guys are tremendously amazing. Thank you guys for the positive comments we've been getting on the previous video on the announcement that we're having baby number 3. It's very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch all these videos. Just in general, I am truly grateful for that. And not only that, but we've got some new baby chicks going on here for some new pocket peeps, and we have ultrasound today, so very excited for that. More on the vlog channel, but we have to be really creative on the next couple prints because we don't have much filament left right now, and also with preparations and plans we have to be even more budgety, very, very tight on the budget on what we need to do and allocate on things. But the problem is I need filament, but I don't know if I can do that this week. That is the biggest issue, but we'll see. We'll document. We'll use what we got and see what we can do because we do have a lot of products. We just want more to create a stockpile, and yeah, lots to do in very little time. As always, lots to do. Let's see how we get into this week and what we can get done.